Headlands, welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone forever. I know and I have a good reason for that. I do have a good reason for that. Oh yeah, and if you have noticed or haven't noticed, I have locks now. We will get into that. So if you have been here before and you know me as Adedè. I make natural hair tutorials. I also share some things here and there about my life, like lifestyle vlogs, my pregnancy, my babies, like my wedding, like everything I used to share here on this channel. And all of a sudden I disappeared. I know, well, it wasn't necessarily all of a sudden. After I gave birth to my babies, my second child, I disappeared because I got sick. I got like really sick. Some of you have reached out through Instagram and even through email to ask how I'm doing. Thank you so much. Mostly I try to reply. I've been hanging in there. I'm doing okay. Thank you very much for asking. So like I mentioned, life happened. I gave birth, and after giving birth I got sick, and I have to focus on myself, on recovering, and also being a mom and everything that comes with it. So yeah, so I have good news and I have bad news. So I'm going to start with the bad news, or the less good news. So the bad news is that I'm not going to make videos about natural hair anymore. Like I said, explained before, I do not have the energy to do that. My body is not it's not there yet, so I'm not going to force myself to create content about natural hair. I think when life is changing, you should also change, and right now my life has changed a lot and it's still changing, and I want to take you guys along in those changes, but it doesn't involve natural hair tutorials and all those jazz. So the good news is I am coming back to create content. It won't be about natural hair anymore, but I'm going to create content because a lot of you know that I've always made money online, like through my Etsy shop, through YouTube, what you're watching right now, through AdSense, through my ebook, my natural hair Ayurvedic recipe, I've forgotten the name, which till date people still purchase from me. And all this experience is something that I'm going to share with you, because what I learned the time that I was sick is that it's really good to have multiple streams of income, because me being sick and everything made me lose my job as a nurse, which was very intense physically. So I do understand, made me lose my job as being a nurse. But I've always been online and making money online and everything, so it didn't have that much of an impact on me. So I was thinking, what if I can teach other mothers, because I know I'm not the only one going through this. I know a lot of mothers who give birth or not even get it sick, but even the whole change around you having children and everything really impacts your life, really changes your life. And it's a good thing, really. But I believe that us mothers are meant to do more. We are not just meant to take care of the children and everything. But what if we can stay home, take care of the children and still earn? What if we could do that? And that's what I've been doing this whole time, without showing my face, without being online and everything. And right now I thought there are some people here who probably will like to know how I do this. So that's where my channel is going from now on going. I'll be talking more about making income from home, making income as a mom, how we are going to build ourselves as a mom. I'm going to make products that are done for you, that you will take and use it yourself, so you do not have to spend time creating it, because I already have the experience with Etsy, with Canva, with YouTube, with other social media platforms. So that's where the channel is going right now. And I must say that I am pretty nervous, because this is something that I know and I teach my friends and family and everything, but I've never really taught it online. This is not for everybody, but if I find something good online, just like how I found how you can grow thin fine natural hair and I shared it, it's the same way that I'm going to share with you how to make money online easily as a mom, as a stay-at-home mom who is maybe partially sick or who is homeschooling, so do not have time for other job out of the house, because like earning online digitally is basically you not having anything home. You only need your computer, your tablet, your telephone, whatsoever, and that's the only thing you need. Apart from that, you don't need anything. So I find it very suitable for moms at home, or you don't even need to be a mom to participate with this. Basically anybody can do it, but I focus more on mom because I'm passionate about it, and because of my experience as well of being a mom and being laid off from my job because I got sick, and being preoccupied with the children, which I love doing and everything, but I also know that I love doing other things and I don't want to stop doing it. So that's where this journey is going. So basically this is for people who want to earn online, who don't want to do their 9 to 5 anymore because they need to make time for their children or because they are sick whatsoever, you know, all those things. Apart from that, what else is going to change is I'm going to create an avatar for myself. Her name will be Charlotte. Actually, in my next video I will go through with you how I create this avatar. This avatar is going to be my AI presenter for the days that I do not have enough energy, because like I said, I'm still recovering from my chronic pain and my chronic illness. I'm still recovering from it. So on days that my body is just not working with me, my avatar is going to present for me. So in my next video we are going to create that together. I like to be honest and take you guys along with the whole process, or how of how I'm going to build this online business and how I want you guys to go along with it. And basically you do not need an AI avatar if you don't want to. I really like my presence online, and I think it gives people more trust and everything if people can see you. But I also know people who are doing this faceless without showing their face, no avatar, nothing, and they are making a lot of money online without showing their face. And that is actually perfect, especially for the moms out there who appreciate their privacy, who do not want to share a lot of their selves. Also for moms out there who are going through domestic violence, or somebody looking for them, you know, all those things. You never know what people are going through, why they don't want to share their faces online, you know. So those are for those people. You can create an avatar which is also basically faceless, or you can just go faceless and just use like videos on screen and everything. But like I said, we are going to go through all that. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this, and if you make the time for it, you only need like an hour a day to work on this. Like an hour a day. I'm telling you, I do not have a lot of energy, especially with 2 kids running around, being a mom, a whole household and everything. I do not have a lot of energy, so I only use an hour, maximum an hour and a half a day to work on my business and all those things. And if I can do it, you can do it too. I really don't know who needs to hear this. Maybe life didn't work out the way you wanted, or you feel like you have a lot to give than what you are doing right now. I promise you, basically what I'm going to promise is this is not going to be easy, but it is simple, and I'm going to guide you step by step along the way. So if this is something you are interested in, kindly comment below, and also subscribe to the channel for my next video, which I'm going to lay things out for you step by step. Like I said, it's really simple. It's not easy, but it is simple and it's doable. And if I can do it, you can do it too. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.